April 12th, Tuesday, US Open morning price action. So the price is pretty strong, and the delta was pushing higher too, and I got my channel line there, and then the channel is broken. So I'm watching that 50 moving average. The another thing I noticed on the delta is there's a lot of market orders coming in, but the limit orders are not the same size. So the market, a lot more market orders than the limit orders, and when you check the levels here, the market orders are like way too much. So I didn't like that, and I'm expecting a return at some point. But right now we are in bullish move. And another thing is, like, whenever you see a 1, 2, 3, 4 same color bars in a strong move, it needs to be minimum 4 and maximum 6. And right after that, if you see a opposite color bar, which is this one is red, then you can expect a lot continuation of the move up. Yeah, on that one I entered on that pullback, hoping that catch that pop. I mean, this bar is close, somewhat okay, not perfect with a wick on the top, but because of that I kind of make it break even, because it may go down, but most likely usually it goes up, even though we have a wick there, but it's still green and it's above the 50. So I'm gonna try another one when the price retests around 50. And because of this here too, it looks pretty strong, so it may go up a little bit more before it returns, if it does. Yeah, so waiting to catch me there. Okay, I'm in one contract, and this is just a scalp. I'm not gonna wait that long. May break even there. And right around there I'm out. Yeah, and then that was the pop. I was expecting more, but it happened after this one.
Order filled.
And on this one here, I saw a level line on the bigger time frame, and then I wanted to get that bounce from that area. And that worked out nice. So the price is doing sideways now. Okay, try to break that 25, got rejected, and second try on that 25, and it's going back up to the range. So remember, whenever you are in the range and usually when the price leaves the range, there is a magnet to range area, so price usually can come and retest that range. And right over there, I wanted to get a bounce from the top of the range a little bit, do a quick scalp. But I kind of entered a little bit too low. I wanted to be right around there, but already I didn't like this bar, how it is forming so far. Yeah, exit me out there. So it's gonna, it looks like it's gonna break that range there and then may come back down again. So I'm waiting that bar a little bit. And I saw that the wick, and I tried it, another one right above that wick with a stop. Yep, and that was it there. My original plan. Alright, so we are in the back, same spot, 463 on the day. And we are still in that range. So whenever you are in the range, just try not to enter the trades right in the middle of the range. And you need to be very careful on those breakouts from the range, because usually they fake out and then they come back into the range. And then it will continue after that. Okay, now it's trying to break that 25 moving average exponential. Okay, I'm kind of looking some type of signal that for breakout. Last 10 seconds to close. And we also broke this channel line there. And yeah, this bar is printed nicely, is a good signal bar there. So I wanted to enter, it didn't take me. Yeah, I missed, and I'm kind of chasing the price now, and I'm hoping to get me in before it continues down. And the delta is looking nice there. Look at delta, broke that level.
Order filled.
Yeah, it got me there on that bounce. Now we are breaking that 50. And I'm out.
Order filled.
Yeah, that was a nice trade there. Okay, testing 50 again. And on the delta, the limit orders and the market orders now matching. Not too bad right now. Okay, on that 50s, they tried it one time and it went back under. Now this is the second try. Yeah, I see that bar printed, kind of somewhat a weakness showing, because it already make a lower low here under the 50, but because of kind of in the middle of the channel and the bottom part of this channel, I wasn't sure to enter this trade here. And I see a lot of wicks here too, so it didn't convince me to enter that trade, because it could easily pop this 50 and 25 and test this highs again. So I waited out not to enter. But it could be if I see this on the top of the range in a different location, yeah, I would enter it here on that second try, because there's like an M pattern here for the downside. And then it tried that, broke that level, and then grinding slowly down. It was a nice drop there, testing 200 and also testing that bottom of that channel. Delta is confirmed the move. Okay, testing that VWAP area. Gonna adjust my channel to see if this gonna be a bounce from 50. I mean the VWAP, this dashed line here. And also on the 5-minute, we are testing that 50 moving average. So the price is going sideways in a slow piece. Now my idea is here, since I have this channel here and the 25 is on that top of the side, top of that channel, I am waiting that price to come back and visit that upper channel and then see a weakness in the price. So the price is right here going sideways, so I'm kind of waiting to price come into this area, and it can be a short entry possibility from this location here, and we are still under 200. So waiting patiently right now. Okay, you got rejected from that 200 and broke that VWAP. And I'm still waiting, still the same plan, expecting the price come back, visit this area on top upper channel, and then I can try a short. Okay. And on the 5-minute also we are good for the short side. We crossed that 50. We have that red bar printed, and now it is testing the 50. And the delta is we are still under this area here. So I'm kind of waiting, getting ready my order and waiting that the price, what is going to do on that 25, which this blue line here, 25 exponential, this dash line is VWAP, and price is trying to cross and break that channel, and I'm waiting this bar to print out and see what kind of bar is gonna be. So far it is, yeah, not too promising. Still some strength in it. Yeah, I got a push there. Yeah, the 5 minute also broke that 50 line as well. Delta is testing that level. We got 8 seconds to finish that bar. We are still under 200, but the bar is so far bullish. Yeah, bullish printed. So that's not a signal for me. So I need to wait this bar. Because this can leave a wick here just like that and then continue up. Yeah. So I need to have this signal bar here printed. Need to see some weakness in the price. Then I can do a short here. Okay, last 5 seconds to finish that bar, and so far it is bearish bar, close red, and I'm waiting that what the price is gonna go under VWAP. Okay, it did, and then I'm ready to enter it now. I entered one contract. Yeah, the stop loss area can be there because price still may go up because this signal bar is still relatively not the same size with this green bar here. So but the price broke that VWAP and 25, so that is a good sign for down. Okay, got a doji there, so we are still not sure which way the price wants to go. Okay, looking good. Yeah, the delta is kept at level and is print that red bar there. Still trying to go up, but almost 10 seconds left on that bar. So far good. Yeah, I like that bar, how it closed. And in this bottom of this level here can be a good profit take place. If you have a 2 contract, maybe take 1 contract there and the other one you can leave a runner. I only have 1 contract, so I just exit my position there, and that put me on the day 1535. That was a nice trade there. And I was expecting this price to go more to visit this bottom of this channel here. But because of this level, usually price kind of, you know, bounce here, and also the fact that the price is still pretty close this on the upper channel area, and this channel is not too big, so I just wanted to get my money in this level here. Because if this, sometimes this channel are wider, so your profit zone, your area distance is from entry to exit, so it's a lot bigger, so you could have wait longer. But because of the channel is smaller, yeah, I think it's a good idea to get your profit on a significant level, and then wait to see what it's going to do. And if the price breaks this level here, then you can enter your second position. That was my plan. So I'm kind of waiting what the price is gonna do. So it got rejected so far on that upper channel line, and if the price continues down, I may try another one for the short side, to expecting to reach in this area here. Yeah, this bar not too bad printed. I got a wick on it, and still green bar is very relatively small green bar, so price still can go down. Okay, I'm trying to enter there, but it didn't got me. Now it failed me there. Yeah, it's still, yeah, it just now broke that level there. So if there are some stop losses here, it may trigger, but that's what I'm waiting to see this bar to flush a little bit. But at the same time, because of this channel is not too wide, then I'm kind of hesitant and move my stop loss break even, because I don't want to give my profit back. And if this trade works, that'd be fine. But if it doesn't and takes me out, then that would be it. Yeah, it's trying that pop. If there are some stop losses here, limits, then it will trigger. But so far it didn't do that yet. Yeah, the delta is that level there, trying to break that level there too. Yeah, 25 seconds left. Yeah, it's not a good sign. The price should by now go down already. It's kind of taking its time, and yeah, it stopped me out. So it looks like there are some buyers still waiting in the zone here, and they push the price back up. And yeah, that was that setup for me, and that was it for Tuesday price action.